Hi everybody, I'm Natalie the Witch, and this is Witchy's Workshop, and today we are making a overhead mount for my camera for future video making stuff. It's being made out of PVC pipe like this and little connectors cut with a PVC knife. Seems kind of cool. It just makes really clean cuts in the PVC. It's also frightening. Anyway, let's just get right to it. So for this project, I am using a bunch of leftover PVC pipe from a overhead lighting setup for one of my plants. And, you know, we gotta obviously reduce, but also reuse before we recycle. And what we'll be doing is one going across and then two going this way with poles holding it up. And whatever camera I'd hold on to it be on a clamp similar to this one here. And basically it would just clamp on to this like that. Obviously I don't think we're going to make use of all of these, so we're going to just put them down for now. This will probably be one of the cross pieces. It already has one of the fittings in it for that. So be like that. One right here. This is a similar size one. Oh yeah, this is already pre-cut. This one right here. And then there'd be one or two above like this, just holding the gear. Alright, let's figure out how long these need to be. Okay. Cool. I think this is a similar size pipe. Yeah. You know what? No, that's fine. We're gonna go ahead and yank these off too. Like that and like that. Yeah, those are about the same. Next we need to figure out how high we want these to go. So 4 and then 2 across. How far across do we want this to go? About like that. Okay, I'm gonna just put in a little notch in here just so I can know where I'm going to be cutting it at. This doesn't have to be super precise, just close enough to get the right idea, because these pipe fittings have a little bit of wiggle room to them. I know this isn't the best angle, but in the future this should be a lot easier to do. So I got my little mark right there. I'm just going to try and line it up. And boom, done. Now we just need to do a few more of those. Just going to use the other one as a reference point. I'm going to measure once and cut like 8 times. Again, just putting a little reference mark. Ching! And there we are. Just yank these out and put it on to the new ones. Just like that. I'll throw these back into my waste file. They should be roughly the same. And they are. Now we're going to figure out how high we want these to be. I think I want it so that it's above my other camera here that's just out of frame at the moment. And yeah, about an arm's length, a little more than an arm's length. So about that. Okay, that's good. Mark that real fast. Shing, cut it. Let's see how she fits so far. About the height I was going for. I tend to like putting little cut marks into things to mark them, because not the only thing that'll write on this effectively is Sharpie, and that'll smear all over my hands, and that's no fun. Alright, that's 2. Let's start assembling this just for giggles. Nice one. Hadn't quite got it in yet. That'll work mighty fine, I think. Yeah, I just need to make a few more of these. Okay. Shing. And last one. That's all of them, I think. And they're all the same length. Awesome. Final assembly time. Alright, we're gonna move this around so y'all can see this a little better. Okay, that's one. That's another right here. And cool. That should do it. Just need to make sure these are nice and secure. And bam. Ta-da. I'm going to rig this up real fast so y'all can see what this is supposed to be all about. And this is the clamp that goes to the camera. And just give me a moment. About to switch over. Okay, give me a second here. Alrighty. Now we're just gonna slide this into place. Let me move that temporarily. Alrighty, so let's just adjust this just a little bit. Zoom in, and there we are. Welcome to Witchy's Workshop, friends. We're gonna have a whole ton of fun. Alright, it looks pretty good. I think this is about how I'd like to have it. So like we can slap down our drawing paper and throw in some pencils. This is gonna work amazing. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you want to see more, please like and subscribe, and come back again for some more videos about making stuff. Bye.